In this video, I will show you how to connect TradingView to NinjaTrader. To do this, first open up TradingView and just go to Products and then Screeners and just open up the chart of anything. For example, I'll just do the Nvidia chart right here. From there, you want to click on Full Chart, and then within the full chart, what you can do is go to the trading panel where you will find Connect through our trusted brokers. So just find the trading panel in the menu down here and just click on the search icon and search for NinjaTrader. Then select it, and from there you can either do a live account or a demo account, whichever one you have on NinjaTrader. And from there just enter your username and password. Now you can choose don't remember me. If you don't select that, it will remember you. So from there just click on connect, and from there after you click connect, if you enter the correct details, it will sign you in to NinjaTrader, and then you have connected your TradingView account with NinjaTrader. So now you know how to connect TradingView to NinjaTrader. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.